up everybody, how you guys doing today? Starting off this video here in my backyard, so you guys might be able to tell. And as you can see by the title and the thumbnail, we're gonna be testing something that I bought. And it's, well, my uncle has been saying that this actually works. It's really good for cleaning and it actually smells really good. So what I did was I went into Amazon and purchased this super cleaner. Seriously, we're actually gonna be testing this out to see if it actually works. And if it actually works, I'm gonna be buying more of this more often. Little update on the fireplace. We still need to put a lot of blocks. We still have more blocks on the front. You know, it's going well. My uncle's actually coming tomorrow. That is Wednesday. And it's obviously good because, you know, he knows construction. My dad knows construction, obviously. And they both are gonna finish this pretty quick, I expect. So as you can see here, we're gonna be testing this out on the F-150 Platinum. As you guys can see here, we got some little bit of dirt all around this thing right there, so you guys can see. Obviously I'm gonna be taking this piece, you know, this big piece, because I don't want, you know, things to be on my, you know, on my new slime. I don't know what you can call this thing, but this thing actually smells really good. You know, if I think this will make the truck smell like new. As you can see, it's blue. But let's try it out. So we got that dirt thing right there. Let's see if it actually works. So I'm gonna rub it around there, and it obviously does not stick. So let's see if this works. I will definitely recommend it. You know, to you to get it. Yeah, it did work. As you can see, it's still like a little bit of stain, not because of this, you know, because maybe like sticky things that, you know, maybe your fingerprints or stuff, but you know, it's not like crazy like, you know, dirty. So this thing actually did its job. My dad just arrived. That's cool. So I honestly think it works pretty good, honestly. So if it keeps working, I'm actually gonna buy some more of this so more often. Yeah, there's no more dirt right there. And it smells really good, man. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to get more of this, because as time goes, this thing is gonna get a lot dirtier, and you know, it's gonna lose its smells, and it actually smells really good. I'm gonna keep trying this out right on the edges. I'm not gonna put it in there because, yeah, it's not gonna be worth it. Put it in here around the edges, and you know, it's taking the dirt really well. But what I should do is actually, you know, take a little piece. I'm not gonna be taking like the whole thing, because then the whole thing is gonna get dirty. I honestly think you should not be ripping this whole thing out. I mean, I don't know, I mean, it's the same thing, but I wouldn't be like ripping it out. I mean, I just did it because it's really cheap. I mean, if you want to, I'm not stopping you, but it's really good. Like, it cleans really good. It goes without saying that I think it actually works really well. Sounds really weird as well. As right now, I think I'm gonna be buying more often these things. They're actually 12 bucks. I think it just cost me on Amazon. Look who we have here, my baby brother. Oh, so beautiful. I almost forgot to say that I bought this like keychain thingy, and I put it on the old F-150 key. It has the Ford logo on it, as you guys can see. And then on the Platinum key, I got this one that says Ford as well. I also got the air caps that I put on the old Fire F-150. You know, there will be a video coming about the F-150 here shortly. I believe, if, you know, weather has not been as great as I actually expected to be. Hopefully here tomorrow we have good weather and I can shoot out this video. But with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. Give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.